Welcome to next class. We discussed up to 62 problems. 63 homework. 63 first you do first two fraction subtraction. After getting difference again you add next fraction. Already I said in example problems. Once you check it. Homework problem 63, 71, 72, 74. 71, 72, 74 are matchings. Do see and do carefully. So these four are today's homework problems. Now let us see 64th problem. 64th problems. Here see 2 by 1 plus 1 by 1 minus 3. Here 2 by 1 plus 1 by, already we know what we have to do. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 1 divided by 3 by 5 by 6. Half means what we have to do? Multiplication. Next one 2 by 1 plus 3 minus 1 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 4s are. So finally what left here? 5 by 4 2s are 8. So then what we have to do here? 2 by 1 plus, when you are seeing 1 by 2 by 3 means reciprocal, you take immediately 1 into 3 by 2 means we are writing 3 by 2 directly. Here divided by, here what we will get? 3 into reciprocal 8 by 5. Next 2 by 1 plus 3 by 2 divided by 3 8s are 24 by 5. Next what we will get here? 2 by 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 3 by 2 divided by 24 by 5. Next what we will get? 2 by 5 by 2 divided by 24 by 5. Next, when you are seeing one whole in the numerator, denominator in the fraction, you take immediately reciprocal of denominators. 2 by 5 divided by 24 by 5. Next what you will get? 2 2s are 4 by 5 divided by 24 by 5. So finally what we get? 4 by 5. Already we know division of fractions, we have to take reciprocal. So 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 4 ones are 4 8s are 24. Sorry, 4 6 are 24. So 1 by 6 answer. So what is answer? Option D, 1 by 6. So once you see carefully, 1 minus 1 by 3. When you get, already I said in example problems, one whole and one fraction, addition and subtraction. Just you take fraction denominator, what have in that whole multiply. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 3. So 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2 by 3. So then what you will get here? 2 by 1 plus, when you are seeing 1 by 1 whole part in the numerator and fraction in the denominator are both. For example, 2 by 3 by 4 by 5. This is called complex fraction. For this what we have to do? Numerator fraction write as it is, denominator take reciprocal. So here also 2, 3 by 2, 2 by 3 reciprocal 3 by 2. After again plus you will get 2 plus 3 5 by 2. So reciprocal 2 by 5. Like this you have to do. See carefully, these are new problems. Next one, 65. Simplify 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So what you have to do here? 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 2. Then what you will get? 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 how much you will get? 3 by 2. So next what you will get? 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 by 2. So already we get before problem. What we have to do? 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 3. Again LCM 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 by 3. So 1 plus 1 by 5 by 3. Again what you have to take? Reciprocal 3 by 5. So again LCM how much? 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 how much? 8. So 8 by 5. So like this you have to do. Here 1 plus 1, 2. Again for this denominator LCM you will take 2. Here no denominator means 1 only now. So 2 ones are 2. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 3. Again here 3 LCM 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 3 reciprocal 3 by 5. So what is answer? 8 by 5. 8 by 5. So option B. Option B is correct. So 65 problem this one. 66, 67 total like this only. Total today I will not say why, because again you will get confused. Today you see carefully 64 and 65, 62 problems practice. Tomorrow I will explain 66 and 67. 68th problem, see comprehension type question. 68th problem. In a class of strength 60, total strength how much? Strength 60. How many members likes mathematics? Mathematics, how many members likes? 20 members. Physics, how many members? 15. Chemistry subjects like how many members? Chemistry 25. So based on this information we have to do 68th problem. The fraction of students those who like mathematics. Mathematics, how many members here? 20. Fraction they are asking. What we have to do? Fraction. How many members are liking mathematics? 20. Total student out of 60 members, 20 means 20 by 60. So if you convert into fraction, what we have to do? Mathematics, how many members? And total strength we have to take. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So what you will get? 1 by 3. So option B is correct. 69th. The fraction of students those who like physics. Physics, how many members? 15. Total strength 60. 15 ones are 15 fours are. What you will get? 1 by 4. Option C. Next 70. The fraction of students those who like chemistry. Chemistry, how many members? 25. Total strength 60. So what you will get? 5 5s are 25. 5 12s are 60. 5 by 12. So which option is correct? D. Option D. Like this you have to do. So today homework problem 63, 71, 72, 74. And you practice 65, 64 and 62. If you get any doubt, you can ask by phone. Call and ask me. So practice today homework problems. These homework problems. So today up to completed 70 problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.